Good morning, welcome to today's vlog. I'm going to have a go at building a herb garden. We've got 2 or 3 potted herbs already and they've just been sitting around looking really sad that they're in pots. So I've picked an area up by the communal parking area and it's not very nice soil. So I've moved in a couple of logs to create the area that I want to plant in, and now I'm just improving the soil.
We're Those Weirdos, a family of 7.
Nearly 3 years ago, we gave up our conventional lives to live, travel and work in our self-converted Sprinter van.
I have a chameleon.
In July 2021, with the increase in travel restrictions caused by Brexit and the pandemic, we decided to buy off-grid land in Portugal to live a more sustainable lifestyle.
Follow along with our journey as we turn our beautiful but derelict land into our very own slice of off-grid heaven. Wildlands. Fab. This is going to be my little herb garden. Yesterday I brought up the pole over there that you can see, and this one here, which I just plopped straight on top of the earth, and then I used a mallet to hammer in these little wood stakes. They're just sticks I found on the ground. They're just holding it up, which means that I can fill this whole area with leaf mould and compost, so it gets about half a foot of depth, and then we can plant the herbs straight in it. I'm going to come all the way out to here in a kind of a triangle shape there. I'm going to leave the big tree stump there, and Rosie thought it'd be nice if we stuck a potted plant on it, so we might fill a brightly coloured plant pot full of nasturtiums or something, let them all spill over. So that's my morning's work. I've got to go and get about 50 more barrow loads of leaf mulch. This big pile of leaves and twigs and stuff is actually what I created by piling up all the rubbish when we cleared the area for Rosie's tent, which, if I bring you round, is just here. So I scraped it all into a pile and forgot about it, and it's been there for what, about a month and a half maybe. So the underneath has gotten all soggy and lovely and moist. It's already composting itself. So I think that was quite a good idea. I've got another pile, you can see just off over there. I might do that a bit more, scrape up the fallen leaves, pile it up, and make ourselves leaf mulch for use on planting. Here on top it's all sort of dry, twiggy, leafy stuff. But as soon as you go down, look how rich that is. It looks almost edible to me. And there's all sorts of bugs and fungi and things going on. And this lovely, lovely crumbly earth. That's beautiful. So still got to do this area. This is 4 barrow loads. So I think another 2, 3, 4... another 6 barrow loads, but I don't want to take it all from the same place, so I have to find new spots around the land. And then it needs compost. Our little collection of herbs. Got Rosie's little chili pepper here, and then in the big pot that's lemongrass, and then we have oregano, thyme, sage, rosemary, basil, mint, and that little one growing there is just something growing on the land. So that's where I'm going to leave this video, because I need time to edit it and get it up this evening, and I don't have any compost. So in a couple of days after the weekend we'll go into Castelo Branco, however you might pronounce that, and buy a couple of bags of compost, and then we can fill this up, and then I can get the herbs planted. Maybe I'll do a part 2 just to show you it in its finished state. Thanks for watching, thanks for liking and commenting, and I'll see you in a couple of days. I'll leave you with 2 minutes of peace.